Hey everybody, attorney Gonzalo here, and I am excited to talk with you a little bit about how to avoid cracks in your business foundation. Okay, this is so important. If you've ever spoken with a builder or a contractor, if you ever ask them what's the first part that they do when they're building a house or a building, it's a foundation, and they're putting in a strong foundation. And this is super important because the foundation is what's used to support all the rest of the building and the whole rest of the structure. And so making sure that the foundation is in place and strong is so important. Now, in addition to a strong foundation, you want to avoid cracks in it, because if you've ever looked at buying a house or real estate or property, one of the things that buyers will look at is that foundation and seeing if there are cracks, because if they're severe enough, we'll say, oh, nope, gonna pass on that, because foundation work is very expensive and it means that the rest of the structure may not be well supported. So all of that to say that a very similar principle applies in business, that your business foundation has to be strong as well. And so when you are investing or saving or putting into your business or company, avoiding cracks is so important. There's a statistic through the Small Business Association that talks about how in the first 5 years of business, over 45% of businesses will go out of business. And oftentimes that's because there are cracks in the foundation, and cracks can be overspending in the wrong areas. They can be hiring the wrong people. It could be not learning your skill or craft or substantive area well enough in the service that you offer, or not vetting a particular product that you're selling well enough. Maybe it doesn't have, the quality that's necessary. It could be any variety of things. It could also be exposing yourself to too much liability, too soon. And so all of those are cracks. And what we want to do is avoid having too many cracks in our foundation. And we do that by pouring into and investing in those things that are going to make for a strong foundation and really allow it to be rooted well. And these are things like accounting services and bookkeeping. Are your numbers clean? Are you making sure to follow and do audits on your company and your business to make sure all the numbers are how they should be? Legal. Are your registrations in place? Do you have your contracts that you need? If you're dissolving, have you gone through all the proper steps for dissolution and liquidation according to state statutes? And then also insurances. Insurance is so important. A lot of people might say, okay, but you're a lawyer, so why are you giving me insurance advice? Okay, I'm giving you broad strokes, a general overview. Thanks for the question, but I'll definitely direct you to an insurance agent that can give you all the details on it. But the reality is insurance will actually help pay for, if you have the right insurance, things like legal. It will pay for legal fees. It can pay for injuries. It can pay for damages. It can pay for salaries if there's an interruption in your business. So knowing the right insurances is really important, so not to be discounted. Now, I am not pretending to be your latest insurance agent, by no means, but rather to make sure that you know that that's out there, that you know that that's available. All right, everybody, take care. Find out some more information. So glad to talk to you, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.